Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this educational video. We will be discussing a little of what the background or basic sa kaning ginatawag og resistivity as a function of temperature. Pasabot what will happen if ever mutaas or mubaba ang temperature. What will happen to the resistivity of a material. And tonight we will be focusing on metals. Okay, and review. This is the symbol of our resistivity. It's the Greek word rho. Yung rho, E, galing nga. Uh, so, ano pag-describe? Basta ingon na. Okay, so let's proceed. Resistivity, let's review. It's an intrinsic property of a material. Meaning to say, nagin na matag material. Nasa ikaw galing yung resistivity at specific range of temperature. For example, 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, only iya resistivity material, resistivity sa usa ka material. And it is measured in ohm meter. The symbol is this omega, and then that's the symbol, or I mean, that's the unit of resistivity. Again, each material has its own resistivity. Matag materials, either conductors or insulators, they have their own resistivity. Of course, conductors have lesser resistivity. Kamay sila pagpugong sa current. So they have lesser resistivity compared to our insulators nga medyo taas ilang resistivity. So therefore, dili kayo makaagi ang current. Okay? And yeah, if when material is exposed to 20 degrees Celsius, for example, kaning nga mga materials is na-expose siya sa 20 degrees Celsius, muna ilang mga resistivity values. I selected three materials. We have silver, gold, and iron. And this, the right side of the table will have their equivalent resistivity in ohm meter. Okay, so if you notice, silver will have 1.59 times 10 raised to negative 8 ohm meter. The gold has 2.44 times 10 raised to negative 8. And we have iron, 9.71 times 10 raised to negative 8. These are the resistivity values of the following materials: silver, gold, and iron. Again, pa kayo metals, no? They have their own resistivity. Okay. And then, bawas na po siya. Okay. Una-una. Okay. Now, resistivity is affected by temperature. Kung gingon ako ganina, what will gonna happen if temperature will go up or down? What will happen to the resistivity or the ability of the property of the material will resist current to flow. Okay, it changes with temperature. So it's there. It changes with the temperature. So let's try to know what will happen if ever the material is exposed to a high temperature or exposed to a low temperature. So the question: what is the temperature in order for metal to increase conductivity of current? Again, what is the temperature in order for metal to increase conductivity of current? Temperature will go up or temperature will go down. What's the temperature or the best temperature for for a metal to conduct or current? Or when we say conductivity, wala niya pasabot. Una siya gawa sa slide. Conductivity means the current can flow easily through a conducting material. So meaning to say a lot or more electrons will move uh, through the wire per second, making current bigger. Okay? So dako ang value sa current kung daghag mga electrons nga nangagi. Because the electrons are the ones moving through the wire per second. Pag daghag nilabang na mga electrons per second, current will be bigger. While if gamay lang electrons ang miagi per second, current is smaller. So when we say conductivity, the material will allow the electrons to flow. Increase the conductivity, let's say needed na temperature. Is it high or low? Okay. Proceed. In metals, ang aning mahitabo, such as silver, copper, gold wires, ani ang mahitabo if ever they will be exposed to more heat. Ani nga mga metals is i-expose siya sa taas nga temperature. So, of course, temperature will increase. So, what will gonna happen? The atoms of this wire, silver, copper, or gold, will vibrate faster. Please do remember, ang atoms, according to kinetic molecular theory, ang atoms nagalihok yun ang Fermi, usog or hinay, depende sa temperature. And if ever the temperature will increase, it vibrates faster. So if ever nag-vibrate sa mga atom faster and nag-move ng electrons dito sa mga atoms of these metals, more collisions will happen between electrons to electrons and electrons to the atoms of the wire, either gold, copper, or silver. So if naaga ining word nga more collision daghan pagbangga, of course madisturbo ang pagflow sa atong electron or the current flow. So if daghan mga bangga, therefore resistivity increase kay naglisod naman o move ang mga electrons or ang current from flowing. So in that case, current decreases. Okay? Nagkataas ang resistivity, magpugong sa mga electrons from flowing. So the current decreases and it will become less conductive. Meaning, dili kaayo makaduwal ang atuang mga electrons diri or the current itself. Remember, current is the effect of a moving electron. Pag mag-move na ganang electrons, it will generate current. Okay? If there will be no electron motion, so the current will never be generated. The effect, muna epekto nga move ng electrons create current. Okay? Please take note. And the relationship in terms of temperature and resistivity, when the temperature is higher, of course, if atoms will vibrate faster and then electrons will have more collision with its own electrons and the atoms of that wires or metals. So resistivity will also increase. Mag-isog nagduwal ang mga electrons. So maghinay, gamay lang ang current na ma-generate. So this is why that wire, init na yun ang wire, no? Okay. So pag mainit ang wire, meaning to say, it resists more current from flowing. Init na yun na, medyo smaller ang amount of current na nilapay ang mga wire. Kung muinit gani, musaka pod ang resistivity, ang pagpugong, so gamay ra ang mga electrons for specific period of time. Okay. And then, let's go back to the question, what is the temperature in order for metal to increase conductivity of the current? Pag-agi, paso niya, pataaso niya ang abilidad nga daghang makaagi ng mga electrons sa wire. So of course, based on our definition beginning na, dili yun ang taas nga temperature ang makapa-increase sa conductivity or ang pagpaagi sa mga current or electrons. Ang dapat hitabo, there will be a decrease of temperature. Anong temperature? Okay. So let's try to find out what will happen pagbaba po ng temperature. Okay. When exposed to less heat or gamay nga init, less temperature will decrease, obviously. Then atoms of the material vibrates lower. Okay. Baba naman ang temperature, so the kinetic energy will become lesser also. So the atoms will move slower. And then it will create less collision. So dagdag mga electron yung makaproceed. So, dagan, pero hinay ilang dagan sila sa dili paspas. And then there will be less collision of electrons. Tapos pag anang hitabo, less lang ang collision, makaduwa ng ubang electrons o diretso, no? Diretso can continue to flow, so the resistivity will decrease. Hinay ang pagbabag. Okay, wala may daghang pagbangga or wala more collision or ang atoms kay ang pag-vibrate is hinay lang, so gamay lang ang mag-collide. So ang uban maka-daos gyud o move, okay, sa direction sa atong current. And in that case, if gamay ang pagpugong, gamay ang resistivity, the current will increase, meaning it will become more conductive. Daghang mga electrons makaka-lapos or duwan sa wire. So when the temperature is lower, resistivity will also be lower. So that's directly proportional. So ang question, what will happen if resistivity um, becomes lower? Hinay ang pagpugong. Of course, the current becomes larger. Daghang electron ang makaagi per seconds. So the current, it's easier for current to move because there is lesser resistivity around pagpugong aning mga electrons to flow. Okay, so review lang, resistivity is affected by temperature. Of course, pag taas ang temperature, taas po ang resistivity, gamay lang ang current, gamay lang ang electrons ang maka per time, per second. It changes when temperature changes. Ingon ako, they are directly proportional. Sakang temperature, sakang resistivity. Baba ang temperature, baba ang resistivity. Depends on temperature, but balik lang, not just about the material. Maning ang material gold, depende ang resistivity yun sa temperature. For metals, it is directly proportional to temperature. If metals are exposed to higher temperature, atoms vibrate even more. If mag-vibrate din siya, dagdag magbanggaanay, the moving electrons will experience more collision. If ever daghag pagbangga or collision, it means it is harder for electrons to flow. Kung malangay ang electrons flow, meaning na nagpugong sa iya, so resistivity goes up. Okay, so there is an equation na reveal na nun siya daan. If mag-calculate tag resistivity when the temperature is changing. So nagit tay temperature final minus the temperature initial or the T naught, T subscript of 0, only initial temperature, and then this one will be the final temperature. This will be uh, the, the equation matong kwaon ang resistivity sa kabutang pag nag-change ang temperature. So we will try to know in our next video sa ning alpha diri. What's the value of this alpha sa sabot ani, and we also have the resistivity naught or ang initial resistivity. Sa itong pinakauna nga pag-measure good sa temperature, for example, at 20 degrees Celsius, mauni ang iyahang resistivity. Ang tao na to, ang bagko nga resistivity, pag masolve na nato na sila. Okay, so this will be the new resistivity when the temperature is changing. Okay, I will make a separate video for it. Okay, that's it for resistivity. I hope you will learn or learn something from our discussion at this moment. See you around on my next video. Before ko makalimot na day isa ka question diri. I-reveal na dahil siya sa best answer. Wala na edit. So, okay. Now, which situation depicts that resistivity is low? Asa diri nga mga options nagsuporta that the resistivity is low. So, letter A, temperature is getting higher. It's not really the good answer because temperature is directly proportional to resistivity. So if the temperature is higher, so as the resistivity. O bitaw, if init ang metal, it would resist more current. So taas siya resistivity. Moving electrons lead to more collisions. Remember this phrase, more collisions na magpapagkat, so magdisugbo lahos ang mga electrons sa wire. So therefore, it depicts higher resistivity. And then opposite to that, we have moving electrons lead to less collisions, like hinay lang ang gamay lang ang mga collision. So therefore, ang ubang electrons can proceed, making the current to be bigger Okay? So, daghang current, meaning baba ang resistivity. So, it's gonna be the best answer. I-reveal naman kay wala na edit. And the last one is the atoms are vibrating slowly. Pag mag-vibrate slowly ang mga atoms, meaning the temperature is going down. And when the temperature is going down, so as our resistivity. So the best answer is letter C. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something from today's educational video about resistivity and temperature. In our next video, we will be calculating uh, some problems involving resistivity and temperature. Thank you so much, and see you around the next